In today's interconnected world, the people, processes, and technology in information technology, IT, and operational technology, OT, are colliding. While this convergence brings opportunities, it also poses unique challenges. IT supports the business, securing and managing data, users, and applications, prioritizing confidentiality, integrity, and availability. OT is the business, where safety takes top priority, alongside availability, to sustain critical processes that directly impact the bottom line. But what if IT and OT could seamlessly collaborate? Imagine a future where the best of IT and OT, people, process, and technology come together to improve data flow, reduce risk, and drive innovation, all while maintaining their distinct priorities. Achieving this future requires a strategic, unified approach, building cross-functional IT/OT teams, securing both legacy and modern systems within a single, cohesive framework, eliminating data silos to unlock real-time insights, monitoring of the security posture to address evolving IT/OT risks and threats. At Fortinet, we understand the complexities of IT/OT convergence. With decades of expertise, we provide cutting-edge solutions to bridge the two worlds, empowering your business to operate smarter and more securely. Fortinet, the only platform built for OT security.